have a patient in which we are putting an injection in the right shoulder by an anterior approach. The area has been adequately exposed. There is mild extension at the shoulder, dropping the arm by the couch. The forearm and the hand is on the trunk, supporting the trunk to have some internal rotation. In this position, the head of the humerus is easily palpable, and just medial to it is our capsule, where usually patients are tender and you can inject. So if you look at this area, she will be having tenderness on this area. So deep tenderness in this area, she stops me. Now we will be doing it with proper precautions. So you have an assistant who will give you gloves. Never ever put an injection without a glove. So now I am wearing gloves. Now look at each step. Every injection a surgeon should fill himself. We have taken a syringe. We have a new xylocaine in every patient. Do not touch the area from where you take. I usually take up to 5 ml of xylocaine. Take out the air bubbles. Then I take Tricort. Again the same technique. Well shaken bottle. First the xylocaine, then the Tricort. You need an assistant so that you can load them well. So I am taking Tricort. Total volume will be 7 ml. Once I am done, I will be taking away the needle which I have loaded. It's a rule. You never use the same needle. The new needle comes to you because you will pierce the skin with a new needle. That's a rule. Then you will be treating this procedure just like a lumbar puncture. So now with the sterile techniques, you will be using the sterile gauze with the chlorhexidine solution to clean the area. So the central area and then the whole periphery cleans up. And then you have to remember the area where there was marked tenderness in the patient. In the same area, you will slide your needle in gradually. With a feel, you know how much to go. Withdraw, aspirate. You are not having any blood vessel there. Keep infiltrating. Keep infiltrating in a wider zone. Once you are done with it, take out your needle and then always put a sterile dressing on that area. And you ask your patient to remove this dressing the next morning. इसको ऊपर रख लीजिए आराम से, comfortable. And that's how you are doing these procedures after preliminary xylocaine sensitivity, anti-injection of shoulder. Thank you.